Hey Gearheads, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be discussing a very interesting topic on understanding power steering. Power steering is one of the most important innovations in modern vehicles, yet many drivers don't fully understand how it works. It's the system that allows you to turn the steering wheel with ease, making driving smoother, safer, and less physically demanding. Whether you're navigating a tight parking spot or making quick maneuvers on the highway, power steering is quietly at work, providing the assistance you need. Understanding how it operates, the different types available, and the signs of trouble can help you maintain your vehicle and avoid costly repairs. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's begin. What is power steering? Power steering is a system that helps drivers turn the steering wheel with less physical effort. Without it, steering, especially at low speeds or when the car is stationary, would require much more force. It's particularly useful for heavier vehicles or when navigating tight spaces. How it works? Power steering systems can be divided into two main types. Hydraulic power steering, HPS, uses pressurized fluid to assist steering. A pump, driven by the engine, sends hydraulic fluid through hoses to a piston in the steering gear. When you turn the wheel, the fluid pressure helps move the wheels in the desired direction. Pros: smooth feel and proven reliability. Cons: can be less fuel efficient since the pump is always running, requires regular fluid checks. Electric power steering, EPS, uses an electric motor instead of hydraulic fluid. Sensors detect steering input, and the motor provides the necessary assistance. Pros: more energy efficient, allows advanced features like lane keeping assist. Cons: can feel less connected to the road for some drivers. Electronics are more expensive to repair. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share this video. Electro-hydraulic systems, a hybrid that uses an electric motor to power the hydraulic pump, offers some efficiency gains while keeping the hydraulic feel. Why it matters. Ease of driving makes steering smoother, especially at low speeds. Safety allows quick steering response in emergencies. Reduced driver fatigue. Long drives are less physically taxing. Signs of power steering trouble. Stiff or heavy steering could indicate low fluid in HPS, pump failure or electrical issues in EPS. Whining or squealing noises when turning, often caused by a failing pump or loose belt. Fluid leaks. Hydraulic fluid leaks can cause steering failure if not fixed. Warning lights. EPS systems often trigger dashboard alerts when there's a fault. Maintenance tips. Check and top up fluid for hydraulic systems regularly. Inspect belts and hoses for cracks or leaks. Follow manufacturer service intervals for steering components. Address warning lights immediately. Steering assistance can fail suddenly. Power steering may work quietly in the background, but its impact on driving comfort, safety, and control is significant. From traditional hydraulic systems to modern electric setups, each type plays a crucial role in making vehicles easier to handle and more responsive. By understanding how your power steering works and recognizing early signs of trouble, you can ensure it continues to perform reliably for years to come. Regular maintenance not only protects this vital system, but also keeps every journey smoother and safer. If you found this explanation helpful and learned something new about the power steering, hit that like button, share this video with friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating, easy-to-understand breakdowns of the tech that shapes our everyday lives. Stay safe and see you in the next one.